Hi everyone and welcome to week 1. Okay, so in week 1 you are going to do two things. We are going to get directly deep into classic pixel art, which is the basis of every video game, and we are going to create a small video game doc for your own game so we can create the complete level in art of the game. We are not going to code it, but we are going to create it big time. Okay, so it works like that. So you have the welcome to week 1 where you're gonna find that video right now that you're watching right here. You have the learning objectives right here, and you have what you need to do this week. You have to watch all the videos in week 1 lecture. So if you click right here, they will appear right there, and you have them all right there. You have to do project 1, both parts, 1 A and B basically, and it's right here, and we'll discuss that in a second. And you also have to post your progress in the week 1 forum about your work. It doesn't get deeper in there. This is as simple as that for this week. So let's go back to all the... So if you go back to the module right here, you can access it through the welcome to week 1, or you can access it right here. Okay, it is very simple like that. You have your intro, as we just looked at. You have your week 1 lectures right here. That are, some of them are video like you're watching right now, and some of them are doc. Everything is in both systems. Okay, it's very simple like that. Okay, now you're gonna have to do two things, and there's a little document right here. One of the things you're gonna have to do this week is to create a small video game, 2D video game document. Okay, and this is all I want in your document, and I'm already giving you the size for it. So it's very simple. And this week I don't want you to do any real art beside the classic pixel art and the game doc. You need to mock up your level in the game doc, but it's called mocking up, not coloring it up or anything like that. You just mock it up to see how it's going to look. I want the art style, I want the game genre, I want a small story, I want the characters and bad guys bios, I want your weapon system, bonus and platform if any, your color palette, so what color you're going to use, and simple drawing of your level without colors. That's your week 1 work in reality, and it is located, the actual location of it is in project 1 right there. So if you click right here, you have your project 1 right here. Okay, very, very simple. Okay, so let's look at what you got to do. You got 2 parts. All right, your first part is to write a really short 2 pages max video game doc following the rules that I just showed you in module 1. At the bottom of module 1 lectures, it explained to you what I'm looking for in that. Very simple. It is not a game design class, so I'm not going to actually grade it on you, but it is what you are going to use to create your art. So it is obviously important for you to do it well, okay? And that would be your first part of the project right here, okay? And then that project must include multiple frames. It must have 5 frames. 5 frames is 1 window on your computer at once. Okay, so it must be 5 times 640 by 480. All right, and it's a side scroller, so it should be 3200 by 480p. Okay, I want the game story and everything that we talked earlier for the game design part of it. The second part is the classic pixel art character. Alright, you have to create a character of your own. You cannot redo a known character like Super Mario. Okay, you have to do your own character from the sketches that you're including also in your game document. All right, so that's pretty much it. You need to do the whole thing right here. There's a couple characterization for the character size, which is its size basically, 150 pixels and 125 pixel high, and no more than 75 pixels. And that's for if you're doing biped. If you're obviously doing like dogs, you can reverse that for wide on the 150 to 125 and high in the 75 pixels. Okay, save your work as a PNG 24 bits, so just a PNG. It is important. You will lose point if it's not in the proper format. There's a couple tips for you to follow to do your work. All right, make sure you upload it properly, and that you are going to do, that you start right away is the main thing. It's very important. Okay, you guys. So thank you and have fun.